Now, still in Africa, the Cyclone Freddy's impact has been felt hard on the electricity supply side in Malawi, as state-run Electricity Supply Corporation of Malawi say it needs more few weeks to assess the damage and restore power to pre-cyclone levels. Here are these details of this news and others making headlines from across the African continent.
Malawi's electricity generation company says the cyclone effect on its generation machines remained minimal. Over 72 hours of non-stop rains and heavy winds caused floods and mudslide which had damaged power lines, roads and farmlands and livestock in about 10 districts of the southern region. Giving an update on the energy situation in the country, ESCOM said it is yet to assess the extent of the damage to determine infrastructure that could be reused or replaced. He added that most of the areas which are going for days without electricity may have been affected by damaged feeder infrastructure, such as poles and transformers to such areas. Elsewhere, Tanzania's President Samia Suluhu Hassan has called for more security cooperation and trade with South Africa. Hassan, who is on her first state visit to South Africa, met host President Cyril Ramaphosa and discussed trade opportunities and possible agreements. The two heads of state agreed to enhance cooperation in the areas of trade and investment, considering that South Africa is among the main sources of direct foreign investment in Tanzania. Tourism and manufacturing are leading sectors for investment. Ramaphosa said trade volumes between Tanzania and South Africa continued to increase but could be improved further. Finally, Egypt has promised the International Monetary Fund it will roll back the state's involvement in the economy and allow private companies a much greater role. Yet several recent moves show it's continuing to expand its holdings and tighten its control. As a part of a $3 billion 46-month financial support package announced with the IMF in October, Egypt pledged to level the playing field between the public and private sectors, strengthen the business climate and reduce the role of the state and military in non-strategic areas. Egypt desperately needs the proceeds from privatization after a series of economic shocks.